Savannah here today, and for this video I'm going to be reviewing HoneyPop. HoneyPop was released by a famous YouTuber here on YouTube, and she is MissRemiAshten as pictured here. And she has been working on this product for so long, and it has finally just came out. And what it is a face mask that you can DIY. It has different serums and things that you can put in to make your face mask, and so I'm really excited to try it. And I think this packaging is so pretty, and it screams Remi to me by the flowers and just looks very Hawaiian and tropical. And so I can't wait to review this product, so let's get started. So now I'm going to be mixing the face mask. First, I'm going to start off by using the Kick It Off Mud Mask Base. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Scrub It Away Exfoliating Jelly. And I'm just going to mix these two together. And now I'm going to add some of the Immaculate Pores Clear Vibes. Now I'm just going to be adding a little bit of the Chillax Depuffing Magic Serum. And I noticed that for the pink serum, the eyedropper didn't work, but it worked for the blue one. I'm not really sure why that was. So now I'm going to actually apply the face mask. I am super excited to use this and see how it works. And now I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes and we'll see how it goes. So it has been 30 minutes, and this is what the face mask looks like after you leave it on for that long. And my face is just a little tight, so now I'm going to remove it off. So I have just finished taking off my face mask, and I really thought that this was a great product where you could just mix and match everything and really create your own face mask. This was a great idea that Remi developed, and I hope that maybe you can try out this HoneyPop face mask. Just the only thing, my complaint was that for this pink serum, the only thing bad about it was that the eyedropper wasn't working. The blue serum was working well with the eyedropper, but for some reason this one didn't work. I'm not sure why that was, but maybe it's just a defect. But overall, this was a great face mask, and I hope that maybe you will try it too. So leave a comment down below if you're going to try it or if you have heard of it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!